Welcome back, traders. Second portion of our show, Market Movers. Dennis is buried in the trade cave here, so I'm going to go solo here this morning with our Market Movers. We're first starting out with MBIA is the stock symbol MBI. Got a lift after hours yesterday after some favorable news from a New York judge regarding their fraud case against Bank of America. That 1350 level is going to be hard to hit in the pre-market. As you can see, that stock got a boost near the close yesterday when that news came out. Really seemed to be consolidating here around the 1260 area. If you're taking a long on this stock off the open, don't let it go much below 1240. Coming back on the upside, I think we're going to start running into resistance, even at the $13 level, up to $13.30. Moving to our next stock in the news, TiVo, which is also the recipient of a patent suit against AT&T. Stock got a big lift in the pre-market, trading up to 1080. Looking at the dailies and also going back at the monthlies, this stock really had a hard time getting through the $10 level. We seem to be consolidating right there now. So I'm going to call the first point of resistance 1020. After that, you may get a shot at the 1091, which was the high that was made after hours, right when the news was released. Moving on to our next stock, our disaster du jour, APKT. Coming out, lowering guidance. The street never likes to hear that. Did have pretty good support building at the $30 area. Now we're looking perhaps to make a new 52-week low. Looking at this stock, trading in the pre-market, it looks like you might have a little bit of a bottom here. There was some panicking down at the 25.10 level. Seemed to get a boost, traded back up to 26 and trading right in that area now. 26 would be good resistance here. Below the 25.10, folks, your guess is as good as mine. Going back onto the charts, you have to go way, way back in order to find support in this thing. Moving on to our next stock, has some bad news regarding Life Partners, LPHI, folks. The SEC filed a lawsuit, which can never be good for a company. The 52-week low in that stock stands at $3.20. We have just been meandering around the $4 level here in LPTI. Look for support at the pre-market low, right in the $4 area. Any kind of pop in this stock, I'm sure people are going to be looking to get out. Like we said, news from the SEC, a lawsuit is never good. Another stock trading down a point is Lockheed Martin. That stock had a lot of trouble in the 81.70 area. Managed to burst through it yesterday and get to 82.99. Perhaps kind of forced up by the market. Now we're coming down. We are currently trading below those old highs. So any run back up to the 81.50 to 81.70 level should be met with good resistance. This 80.85 level has been holding in for quite a while, so look for a minor bounce there. But the way we break out here between this 80.85 level and 81.75 should be an indication of where that stock is going for the rest of the day. Our final market mover, COG, Cabot, Oil and Gas, announces a split in a dividend increase. Holders of stocks always like to hear about a dividend increase. Stock splits also can be good. You get a pop in the pre-market in this stock, got up to 79.70, really running into a host of resistance at this $80 level, currently trading at 79.35. So expect good resistance from 79.70 up to the $80 level. Coming back on the downside, obviously you have yesterday's high at 78.56, which should be minor support. Below that 78.56, folks, though, things open up down to the 76.80, which would be the close. Sorry for our abbreviated market mover show today. As I said, Dennis is buried in the trade cave, but we'll be back with both of us tomorrow. Have a good day.